Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create menus in WordPress so that users who visit your website can easily go from one page to another. So make sure you are logged in and click the WordPress logo here on the top left hand corner and click here where it says appearance. Now depending on what theme you use to build your website, you either see it like this with a ton of options, or you're going to see it like this with only these two options, theme and editor. I'm going to go over both situations. So first, let's take a look at what happens if you see all of these options. You should pick the one that says menu, and you are going to end up on this page. Now here on the left, you have the pages that you have in your project. So there's going to be pages, blog posts, everything that you created. And on the right here, we have the menu and its structure. So if you don't see one of the pages that you have created here, make sure you go to the page that is missing and click the button that says publish. It's going to be on the top right hand corner of your screen, and you can add it to the menu. Notice that I can click and hold and move one of the pages slightly to the right to make it into a sub-menu. I can also create a link to any page. Say I want to link it to Google or some external page. I can use this custom link section here. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and create a home button. I'm going to call it home and use my website address here. So it's simply going to redirect the user to my initial page. So now make sure that this option here is selected and click Save Menu. Now, this is what the menu looks like, and you can customize it further by going back to the menus page. The other case that we had to talk about is the one you only had these two options here. So make sure you select editor and then click the plus sign here and find the navigation button. It should be under this section in themes. Now we can use this button to place the menu. There's this little plus sign here that I can use to add new pages to the menu. If you don't see one of your pages, make sure you go to the page you don't see and click publish, and it's going to show up here. Now I can create a home button by typing my website address, and then I can use this menu here on the right to customize the label. And I can also add sub menus by clicking the menu like this and then selecting one of the pages. And then if I drag one of the buttons over the other, you will see that now a drop down menu has been attached to it. If then I visit the website, this is what it looks like. I can navigate around the page by using these menus and sub-menus. So that's it. That's how you create the menus on WordPress. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.